Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, on the DOT chart, the pullback was deep. It was deep, but it didn't break below the critical key support level here at 578. I mean, that is really the pivot between bullish and bearish momentum. I'll just label that as well, key support. With that, I mean, this is really, I don't mind so much a break of micro support. It just is a signal that possibly we are already in circle 4, in the larger wave 4, but it's too early to say because the upper support area, yes, it was broken, but it was broken during a liquidation event, and the wicks here on the 4-hour chart, they did not close. The candles did not close below that level, like magic. Exactly at 785, that candle closed, but not below. Yeah, 1 hour. 1 second. So the 1 hour closed, but then immediately recovered. So I would argue that a 1 hour candle close is not yet a sustained break of support. So we can still keep it alive, this micro count. And we can say this is still this wave 4, but then the 5th wave needs to happen now. The 5th wave needs to happen now. We just need that upside momentum. Well, if it doesn't, and if we just see a larger... I don't want to grab all this stuff, so there you go. If we just see a larger ABC structure unfold here, A, B, C, then we're likely in this circle wave 4. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to shrink this support region now. I want to add resistance. Because it helps us understand what is the next pivot. What are the levels that the bulls need to break? What are the next upside targets for the bulls? So looking at B wave, it's the 88.7 fib that I started to include more and more. These three should be relevant, yeah? So it would be a B wave that ideally would find resistance somewhere here between 982 and 1111. Any break above that, that's the first target for the bulls, to get the price above that pivot. And then we are going to watch the last or the next fib level, which is at around 1240. And then above that, assumption has to be we are in wave 5 of C of circle wave 3. So that's what we're looking for, right? So I see two pathways. I see two pathways to sum it up and make it very simple. Bullish as long as above key support, which is located at 578, right? And I see two pathways. So first one is a direct breakout higher, but it's only a 3-wave move up and momentum is too low. And we need more upside momentum, but it would do something like that. Ideally 5 waves, 3 waves down, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, 5 waves up. Direct pathway. Second pathway. Well, let's leave it like that. And then second pathway. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, then higher. So you see, they are somewhat different, but overall go in the same direction. I would only have to change my assumption below that key support level. Then I would have to reinterpret the chart. Yeah, so for me, you could even say that everything is noise above 578 because the market might extend this 4th wave quite a bit. The main question here is it the smaller degree wave 4 or are we already in the larger wave 4? Quite neutral about it. It would look best with one more high, but it's a bit deep for that. So quite neutral about it. I'm definitely going to pay attention here to that area between $9.82 and $11.11. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.